Hi, welcome back to Motorcycle Camera and Drone. Did you ever wish your motorcycle had a navigation unit? This is the Carpuride W702B Pro, a 7-inch HD IPS touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It can handle your phone calls, your intercoms, navigation and multimedia right at the convenience of your own fingertips. But before we dive in and take a look at all the cool features and everything it can do, let's have a look at what you will find inside the box. You get the unit itself, of course. You get universal U-shaped bracket, special BMW bracket. You get a mounting kit containing 2 power cords, one for mounting directly to your battery and one for your USB outlet. So this is the Carpuride opening screen, the home screen. Here you can change your volume settings. There's an 11-band graphical equalizer, Bluetooth shortcuts, so you can see the units connected, and the green one is for Apple CarPlay. It has a very cool light sensing feature that allows you to adjust the brightness of the screen manually, or you can put it in auto and it will do it for you. So let's have a look at the audio output menu. This is where you connect your intercoms. I'm currently using the Bluetooth transmission mode, which means I connect both my intercoms to the unit itself, not directly to the phone. The downside to this is that if you turn off your Carpuride unit, you also turn off the intercom. The other solution is the iPlay and auto mode, where you connect your intercom to your phone like you normally do. Music sharing works in both modes anyway, so you just have to choose which one is right for you. Let's go back. In the mountings you have the compass, you have the altimeter, barometric pressure, and you can show this in metric, miles, feet, whatever suits you the best. The unit also supports a memory card size of 64 gigabytes. Now, we mentioned on the box TF card, and in the user manual it also mentioned SD card, but the correct size is the micro SD card. So here you can share your photos, your videos, or music. Now remember, this is an HD unit, meaning it cannot play back 4K video, but 1080p works just great. Next up is the system settings, where you can change the language, restore the factory settings. You have the Wi-Fi settings, your Bluetooth settings. Let's dive into Apple CarPlay. These are the default apps that are supported by Apple CarPlay on my phone. You do not install anything onto this unit yourself. These are just the apps on your phone that are supported by Apple CarPlay. Most of these apps do not have the same functionality as you have on your phone. This is due to app development and not the unit itself. So to go back to the Carpuride home screen, you just push this car home button and you're right back where you started. The unit supports Spotify, of course, where you can share music with your fellow rider. Once you're connected, everything just works. And there you have it, the Carpuride W702B Pro. Now, I can probably sit here and push these buttons all day long, but instead I suggest we go for a ride so you can see how this works in an everyday situation. I'm using the MRA route planner for all my trips now, so I created this route on the MRA Route Planner website last night, using this exact spot as a starting point for this ride. So all I have to do now is to open the MRA Route Planner on the Carpuride unit, go to the routes, and find the route I want to use. Note that I don't have to open the app on the phone to do this. I just select the route I want to use and click Start. I'll start with a little bit of Spotify on the ear, and later I will summarize all the features and highlights for why I think this is such a great unit, followed by some tips for how you can make the most of your Carpuride unit.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Hey. I think about you and I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind, or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love, so just tell me if I'm wrong, but it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. A little crazy for you. Hey. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. I feel crazy. A little crazy for you, baby. Yeah, yeah. A little crazy for you now. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, crazy for you.
I won't be scrolling through all the windows as I talk in order to make the ride as safe as possible. So to sum it up, the Carpuride W702B Pro is packed with features that make it a standout choice for enhancing your driving experience. Now here's what I think makes it exceptional. It's 7-inch high-resolution touchscreen display, so you can enjoy a clear and responsive interface that keeps everything accessible and easy to navigate. Phone call integration, hands-free calls with impressive audio quality, ensuring communication is effortless and safe while riding. The intercom connectivity that seamlessly connects to compatible intercom devices for communications on the go. The navigation system, dependable and detailed navigation tools that guide you with your turn-by-turn directions and traffic updates. Multimedia playback that lets you access your favorite music, videos, or podcast through multiple formats and sources. Voice control. Powerful voice command capabilities let you control its functions without having to take your hands off the handlebars. Compatibility. Works with both Android and iOS devices, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Its durable build, designed to withstand the rigors of daily use with sturdy construction and reliable performance. It's graded IP67 waterproof, so you can ride worry-free in the rain. And the light sensing function that can automatically adjust the brightness to ensure the clear visibility during the day and no glare at night, allowing you to drive safely in the ever-changing lighting environments, from bright daylight to dark tunnels and riding at night. Now for some practical tips so you can make the most of your Carpuride unit. 1. Familiarize yourself with the manual. Start by reading the instruction manual to understand all the features and settings. This will help you unlock its full potential. 2. Optimal placement. Mount the device securely in a location that is easily visible and accessible while riding, and ensure it doesn't obstruct the view of the road. 3. Voice commands. Utilize voice controls for hands-free operation. This keeps your focus on riding while accessing navigation, calls, or multimedia. 4. Power management. If you're using it for extended periods, make sure it's connected to a reliable source to avoid interruptions. 5. Bluetooth pairing. Pair your phone via Bluetooth for seamless integration of calls, navigation, and multimedia. 6. Safety first. Avoid interacting with the device while riding. It is a good practice to set up navigation and playlists before you start your journey. 7. Maintenance. Clean the screen and check connections regularly to ensure optimal performance. 8. Explore advanced features. Dive into its capabilities, like intercom connectivity or multimedia playback, to make your drives even more enjoyable. Now, if there are things you feel I didn't highlight or mention well enough in the video, please feel free to ask questions in the comment section below. Make sure to click the link in the description below and enjoy a site-wide 30% discount on everything you find on Carpuride's website. That's right, 30% on everything they have. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please show your support by like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest videos. And as always, ride safe and make the most of every journey. Then I'll catch you in the next one.